Hey there. So I just found an upgrade on ChatGPT that I didn't know about, and I'm kind of blown away right now. So if you work with DALL-E or ChatGPT to generate any kind of designs, this is a game changer. So I'm using ChatGPT 4.0, and I've typed in, I'd like for you to create an image with a lot of dogs to represent National Dog Day. And most of the results that I've been getting are fairly cute and nice, except I have to drop them into Canva and then try to edit them. This is actually really cute. Okay, so if I click on this, it takes me now to this screen, which if it's been here before, I didn't notice it. And I realized it has this little select button. So when I come here to OpenAI, it talks about editing your images with DALL-E, and it describes how to do this. So you click on the select tool, select whatever it is that you want, and then go ahead and type in what you want to change, and then it will either further remove objects or add something else on. So let's go ahead and try this. So this toy is a little weird, so why don't we do this? I'm going to make this a little bit smaller, and I'm going to remove this toy. Okay, and then I want to remove this toy and this toy, and let's just say we change this and make it change this to pretty flowers. It's the only thing I could think of. I think these images are really cute. So if I click on this one, oh, look, there's a wildflower. Oh, it changed into wildflowers. All right, so let's do this again. Okay, this is pretty exciting. So I actually am thinking I would like to remove this text and just say, and add happy. Will it do that? And then I wonder if we should remove these little weird paw prints, and I don't really know what that is, but that's okay. Looks like there's some like little butterflies in the trees or something. Okay, it didn't get the happy in there, but it definitely removed that. So let's try to add on the happy. Add the word happy. So this is time saving for me because I'm not having to drop this into Canva and then rework it. And if this is the beginning, we know it's only going to get better. But this is pretty cool. Almost finished. And then I'm just going to make one more change. I think I'm going to try to remove these little paw prints and see what happens here. So if I do this, yeah, that looks pretty cool. Yeah, that looks really good. Okay, so now let's just do a few more things. We're going to take this off. I don't even know what that one is. Or that one. Colorful confetti. See if that works. This is pretty cool. I always like looking at ChatGPT's graphics in detail to see if all of the paws are there. Like this dog is pretty cool. It's pretty good. And this one too. All right. Colorful confetti. It's saying that colorful confetti has been added, but it hasn't. But what I wanted removed was removed. So for me, that's good enough. This is pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments.